Here's my honest review of EZ Battery Reconditioning. If you're tired of buying expensive new batteries for your car, laptop, tools, or gadgets, and you've seen this course promising to bring dead batteries back to life, let's talk about whether it's actually worth your time. Car batteries, laptop batteries, drill batteries, phone batteries, they're not cheap. When they die, most people just replace them and toss the old ones. Over a year, that can easily add up to hundreds of dollars, or more if you have a family, a workshop, or multiple vehicles. EZ Battery Reconditioning isn't a gadget or a magic spray. It's an online course, a step-by-step system that shows you how to recondition different types of batteries using basic tools and simple methods, so you can restore some of the ones you'd normally throw away. Once you pay, you don't wait for shipping. You get instant access to the digital guides. You can view them on your computer, tablet, or phone, and start working on your first battery within minutes if you want. The course is broken into guides for different battery types: car batteries, laptop batteries, phone batteries, power tool batteries, and more. Each guide has written steps plus photos and diagrams so you can see exactly what to do. This isn't just for electricians or engineers. It's designed for everyday people, even if you're not technical. The instructions are meant to be simple, clear, and beginner-friendly, assuming you're starting from zero. Here's what it promises: bring certain old or dead batteries back to life, save money by buying fewer new batteries, and even learn how to buy old batteries cheap, recondition them, and resell them for a profit if you want a side hustle. Reviews mention people reviving car batteries, drill batteries, AA and AAA batteries, camera batteries, and more. Some say they've already saved hundreds of dollars. Others just enjoy the satisfaction of not throwing batteries away. What I like is that this isn't a vague hack. It's a structured skill. Once you understand the methods, you can reuse them over and over. Bring one car battery back to life, and you've probably already recovered the price of the course. What I don't like is when people assume every battery can be saved. That's not realistic. Some batteries will be too damaged or worn out. This course increases your chances of reviving many batteries, but it's not a 100% guarantee every time. Important, you are dealing with electricity, chemicals, and heavy batteries. You must follow the safety instructions in the course: protective gear, proper handling, and working in a safe environment. If you're careless, you can hurt yourself or damage your equipment. In my opinion, EZ Battery Reconditioning is great for DIY-minded people, mechanics, hobbyists, preppers, or anyone with multiple devices and vehicles. It's also for people who enjoy learning practical skills and don't mind a bit of hands-on work. It's probably not for you if you hate tools, don't want to follow detailed instructions, or expect push-button results. If you're not willing to spend a little time and effort, you won't get much out of it. With your purchase, you also get lifetime support and lifetime updates. That means you can ask questions, and you'll get future guides as new battery types are added, without paying extra. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee. That gives you 2 full months to go through the course, try the methods, and see if you can revive some batteries. If you don't feel it's worth it, you can ask for a refund. Realistically, you could download the course today, pick a battery you already own, a car, tool, or gadget battery, and try the steps within the next hour. If you successfully revive even one decent battery, you've likely covered your investment. If you decide to try EZ Battery Reconditioning, only use the official link under this video in the description. That's where you get the real course, secure checkout, and the full 60-day guarantee, not some fake copy or shady download. So here's my final verdict on EZ Battery Reconditioning. It's a practical, step-by-step course that can save you money and maybe even create a small side income. If you're willing to learn, follow instructions, and stay safe. If that sounds like you, click the official link under this video in the description and get instant access. Try it on a couple of old batteries and let your results speak for themselves.